Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, what I just would like to show you for this morning will be how to eliminate mildew, that black thing that accumulates in our bathroom. Okay, to eliminate this mildew here, I have here a dehumidifier. Okay, I will be using this dehumidifier to suck the what I call this moisture on the air, because moisture in the air, there is a water content of it. In the function of this dehumidifier is that it will suck this moisture, it will process inside, and it will be converted to a water, because there is actually that moisture got a water content. And as soon as this water is converted to water, it will be accumulated here. This is the accumulation container for the moisture that was converted to water. Okay? So we can throw this one. But before I will be sucking the moisture on the air after we took a bath, okay, I will place the humidifier on the side. What I will do first is that I will try to wipe the water on the glass portion. So right now, I got a towel here, and I will be wiping the leftover water droplets on the glass, because there is actually a water droplets. Okay, so I am done with the door portion of the bath area. So I will go inside, and again I will try to what call this. I will try to focus more so you can see it. Okay. So actually I am wiping the glass inside the bathroom area. Okay. So I'm wiping it all. I'm wiping it all. Even the accumulation of the hair that drops while we are taking a bath, we use this one to capture those what do you call this hair things, so we will not clog up our drains. Later on I will clean this one, because this was actually the capture thing for, we place this one on the hole where water actually discharges, and any hair that drops from our body will be caught by this one. You see, it got lots of hair. So later on I will clean this one. Okay, I wipe the glass portion, so I am ready to suck the moisture on the air. We cannot see the moisture, but there is actually moisture after taking a bath. And to eliminate that moisture and to prevent any mildew from creating an our gaps between the glass and the bathroom portion, the bottom, we use to eliminate the moisture on the air. And to do that, we will be using a dehumidifier. So we are ready to use the dehumidifier. So I'll be placing the dehumidifier here. The suction area of the humidifier is actually this portion here. Okay? And as it sucks the moisture, the humidifier inside converts that moisture to water, which will be accumulated in this water. This is where the water will be accumulated. Actually, it's not the water content. I'll throw this on. Get the water content. Okay. So I'll be placing the suction area fronting the inside, so it will suck the unseen moisture inside. I place it here. Could you see it? Oh, that's the dehumidifier. This is the dehumidifier. The suction area for the moisture is this portion here. So this portion is actually fronting the inside. That's where the moisture that we could not see. Then I'll be getting my extension cord to power up this dehumidifier. Okay. I will power on the dehumidifier. It's working now. And I will be setting the total time that this dehumidifier sucks moisture. So I'll be placing this to 1 hour. Okay? So right now the dehumidifier is actually sucking the moisture that we could not see on the air. Later on, after 1 hour, that will be on another video. I will try to bring out the container for the accumulated water and would like to show it to you guys that the dehumidifier actually works by sucking moisture on the air, okay, by processing it inside. That moisture will be converted to water and it got a container. That will be after 1 hour. So right now, the inside of the bathroom was wiped with the towel. It's dried up a little bit. We removed the water particles on the glass. Okay, I removed the filter for the hair. Okay, and to eliminate that moisture that we could not see, we use that dehumidifier here. We use this humidifier to suck the air in here. Then it will convert it to water. Then we throw it in the drainage. So actually we are preventing the creation of mildew, that black thing. Plus, if an area is not completely dry, it is actually prone to fungus. Okay, and that fungus, if it's placed in a closed area and you are breathing it, okay, and you are asthmatic, there will be problem in your breathing. So to prevent the creation of fungus, we use this dehumidifier to eliminate the moisture that's accumulated here. Because inside our bathroom, it's totally closed. Our windows are not open. So if there is a weighted portion, there could be a possible thing that a fungus will occur or germinate. So to eliminate the germination of the fungus, which affects our health, we use the so-called dehumidifier. So right now, the dehumidifier is sucking the moisture that we could not see on the air. We could not see it, but since we just took a bath just recently, of course there will be a moisture that we could not see. And I expedited the removal of that one because I wiped the glass portion with the towel. Before sucking the moisture in the air, I wipe clean, or I'm not, I wipe the leftover water on the glass. Okay? So actually I am helping the dehumidifier eliminate the moisture. Because if there are water particles on the glass, much more, there are more moisture. But if we could eliminate 80% of the moisture coming from the glass portion, okay, actually we are helping the dehumidifier. For the meantime, we could not see the process in which the dehumidifier changed that moisture to water because it's inside. The only way that we could see the performance of this one is, since I set this one to 1 hour, this will shut off after 1 hour, and I will try to bring out the container, and that container should contain water, and that water actually emanates from the moisture that was sucked by this humidifier. So that's how we eliminate mildew and the creation or the germination of fungus in our bathroom. Okay? For us not to breathe that fungus thing, because that fungus thing, if you are asthmatic, okay, there will be a problem in your breathing. Because one cause of hard breathing if you are asthmatic is actually the fungus that you are breathing. Okay? You are not breathing the fungus, but since the fungus is there, the air surrounding it will be fungus contaminated, and if you are breathing it, there will be a problem. Okay, that's it. That's how we eliminate mildew and fungus in our water. Good morning from Los Angeles. Professor David J.